Hey beauties, sat sri akal meri behno. So let's do another tutorial today. This one would be a quick video. I want to show you guys how to create an easy beginner friendly eye makeup. This is anyone can do it. Honestly, you don't even need a lot of brushes, a lot of product. I'm going to prep my eyes using my Hourglass concealer. You can use any concealer or even an eye base. You don't need to use just Hourglass. I'm going to use these two disposable eyeshadow wands first. And for the whole eye look, I'm going to use Anastasia's Cosmo eyeshadow palette. I'm using my disposable wands on the outer part of my eye and also in the inner part of my eye to create the first, like a guidance of my whole look. This can also be called as halo eye. It's so easy. You're gonna take a buffing brush and then buff the edges out of the first color I placed with the disposable eyeshadow brushes, and the rest I'm just going to take a big buffing brush and take a transition shade like a nude shade as my eye skin tone and put that all over my brow bone. And now I'm taking any random pigment. You can take any pigment, honestly. I'm just taking the green one from the palette and I'm just placing that right in the middle of my eye. That is also going to bring forward the lid quite a bit and make my eye really stand out. I'm using the same shade what I applied at the outer part of my eye on my bottom lash line to smoke out the lash line. Going to use Charlotte Tilbury Cheat Eye Pencil, which is like a nudish color. Curl my lashes, applied some mascara, and of course my own brand lashes from Pretty Girl Lashes. I just pop a style Drama Queen on my eyes, and there we have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you like this kind of tutorial, make sure you leave in the comment section so I can make more videos like this. See you guys next time. Love you all. Take care. Bye.